Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add admins to your Facebook page in 2025. So for that, first of all, you need to come to your web browser and search for facebook.com and click on enter, and after coming to here you have to give your credentials like your email and password and then log in. And after logging into your Facebook, then you have to click on profile photo in the top right and click on see all profiles and then select the page you want to switch into. And after that, click your page's profile picture in the top right to your page and click settings and privacy. And after that, you have to click settings and then click page setup and then click page access. And next to people with Facebook access, click add new. And after that, click next. Type the name or email address of the person you want to give Facebook access. Then click their name. From here, you can choose to give the person Facebook access with full control or partial control. To give Facebook access with partial control, scroll down and click, then click give access. To give Facebook access with full control, scroll down, click toggle to allow this person to have full control, then click give access. And after that, you have to type your Facebook password, then click confirm. The person will receive an email to accept your invitation as an admin to access your page. So that's it, and that's how you add a admin to your Facebook page in 2025. So see you on the next video.